Performance, working on the GS300 again. We've gone over the engine pretty well here. We still got some buttoning up to do, but we've resealed the lower half, resealed the oil pump, new front and rear main seals, new water pump, new timing belt and tensioner. We got the valve covers powder coated in this like sparkly gold. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. New oil cap. We got headers. They're just kind of like on there now. They're not fixed. We'll have to take them off to put the engine in. We got the steering rack mounted back in. Not done. I still gotta get some like boots and stuff and put the tie rod ends on, but that's okay. We don't need them on today. Oh, what else have we done? I guess that's kind of it for right now. What I am going to do next is install these Megan engine mounts so that I can put the engine in. So they're gonna go, that's the bottom, they go up here like this. These are for an SC300, so might have to do a little modification, it looks like. Alright guys, we put the engine in. That was like sweet, epic. But our shifter is 7 inches from where it needs to be. So there's a company, Drift Motion, that will extend your shifter linkage, but we have to get this piece off.
And if you notice, we already took this bolt out. If you don't lose it inside,
it slides back and forth.
And you cannot get this shaft out.
Yeah. So what we have to do is take all these bolts off of the case here, and we can take the tail housing, I guess you would call it, off of the transmission here. So what we're going to do is remove these 8, 10, 12, 100 bolts off of here.
But not before we drain it.
Yeah, we're going to drain the oil, take that off, see if we can get this off. Alright guys, it's been about a month since the last part of this video where we took apart the transmission there to get the shifter housing sent off to Drift Motion to get it extended. As you can probably tell by my hat, we are in the middle of winter right now, so progression on the build has slowed down here a little bit. I just wanted to update you guys on where we're at and all the cool parts that we have to put on this thing yet. So yeah, waiting for the shifter housing to get back. But for this, we have a golden intake. We got long tube header. We got a bunch of hoses there just to replace the old hoses. We have flywheel, lightweight flywheel, and the clutch is underneath there too. 6-puck clutch. Let's look at some of the cool stuff we got. We have the 3-piece walled spoiler. Got this from my friend Nikolai in Kazakhstan. Pretty dope there. On the front, we have this cool like empty radiator grill. Let's see where the other one's at here. So we went going from this to that. Got that from Kazakhstan also, but from Kalashnikov name guy. We still need to do some fitment. It's kind of tight in there. We have, for parts, we got like gaskets here. We got some braided lines. This can be for different stuff like clutch or e-brake. Got some more hoses in there. We got titanium hardware. That's gonna go like in there and in there. So it's anodized gold hardware. And it'll go like that. Pretty sweet. This is we're gonna clean up too if we can. We got some like vacuum line. We have a steering boot, so we still got some steering stuff we got to work on. You guys are probably sick of watching steering videos. And along with our little drive shaft stuff, we have battle version differential bushings. So these are like to mount the front with the differential on, I believe. And this is like for the back of the differential. Back of the differential. So yeah, these are the battle version diff mounts. These two are the front, these two are the back. Go like that. So those should be pretty cool. And then we have NGK spark plugs and wires in there. We have some drive shaft stuff here. This is a carrier bearing for the drive shaft, brand new. We have the sweet Guibo, so it's aluminum with poly bushings in it. The drive shaft. This is a knock sensor. This box has all steering parts in it. Yeah, tie rod ends and stuff. A list on it. So O2 sensors is done. Assemble engine front is done. V-band is done. O2 sensors done. Steering rack not done. Clutch master cylinder that is done. We still have to do flywheel. Drive shaft. Oh yeah, Matt got me this window spoiler. That's pretty cool. We got a lot of stuff to do with the interior yet. I feel like I got some more parts here somewhere. Under the hood, of course, we put in the Megan engine mounts. Got the steering rack in, it just needs to be buttoned up. Probably gonna leak like crazy. Most of the clutch stuff is done, brakes are done. Rear brakes aren't done, but we're gonna do handbrake there. Overflow for the coolant. We have to do something for the radiator support yet. New water pump, new oil pump. Oil pans all sealed up and stuff. We also have the strut tower bar. Throw that on there quick. Powder coated gold. Gold metallic. This is off of a JDM turbo one, I believe. It will go. Yeah, that bar goes on there like that. Pretty cool. Yeah, we got some oil filters. So yeah, that's all the stuff that we got to do to the GS300 yet. Hopefully we'll have this thing up and running before the snow melts. Not sure how that's gonna go, but we'll see. We want to get the taco out this spring and go drifting with that some more. So we got work to do on the trailer too. That needs its brakes fixed. Some lights fixed on it. Nothing too crazy. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Peace out.
Broadcast performance is what it stands for.